Nickelodeon. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna make slime.
Are you excited to make slime, Elijah?
Yes.
Why are you excited to make slime?
Because I never made it.
You never made it, and what else?
And I know how to make it.
You know how to make it?
No.
And all the pretty colors and all the gooey stuff? Okay, this slime is called Fire and Ice by Nickelodeon. Okay, so let's make it. Here we go. So now, here is all the items that we need to make our slime.
Yay!
So first, so now, Elijah, we gotta pour 15 ml of the glue that you have in your hand into our measuring cup. So here is the 15 ml. I believe it's right here. So let's pour it into here, please. I'll pour it to where my nail is at. Okay, so here is the 15 milligrams of the glue. So Elijah, can you take this and pour it into the bowl, the white bowl? Pour it all, pour it all. So now you're gonna pour, Elijah, the 25 milligrams of water into the bowl as well. So let me see you pour it into the bowl. All of the water. So Elijah, what is your favorite color?
Red.
Red. So I'm assuming you want to start with the red glitter. You want to make the red slime which is the fire slime, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So Elijah, what grade are you in now?
Senior kindergarten.
Senior kindergarten? And what do you like about senior kindergarten?
There's a lot of people.
And
a lot of tablets.
Tablets and a lot of friends?
Yeah.
And what do? Do you make slime in your your senior kindergarten?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes? Okay, well, we're gonna make slime here. Okay, so now I want you to pour the glitter into the bowl as well. Go and pour the glitter into the bowl. Half of the glitter. As much as you can. More, 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 more. Okay, that's enough. Now we're going to use the stick to mix the glue, the water, and the glitter. So let me see you mix it. Hi, Malachi.
Hi.
Hello. Hi, baby. Okay, let's see you mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. More, 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 more.
It's my birthday.
Is your arm getting tired? You like how the pretty colors, the red, and what other color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow, or is it gold?
Gold.
Yeah, gold.
That is a bit.
Okay, keep stirring, stirring harder and harder and harder and harder. Now we're going to be using the activator for our slime, correct? Okay, so now we have to put 5 milligrams of the activator into our measuring cup. So open up the measuring cup and pour it in. Put it in. Squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. Maybe I can help you. Okay, so we got our activator So now we're gonna put it into the bowl. So now, using the spoon, can you mix it please, Elijah? So just keep mixing it. Hold the bowl and mix it. Keep mixing it. Wow, our slime's coming along. Look at it. Keep mixing, mixing, mixing harder and harder and harder. Wow, all around. So Elijah, what is your favorite animal?
Zebra.
Why do you like the zebra? Keep mixing.
Because black and white is my favorite color.
Oh, so black and white is your favorite colors too, like red. Okay. What other animals do you like? Keep mixing.
A jaguar.
A jaguar?
A jaguar.
Okay. You like all the fast. So we've made the slime, Elijah. Did you enjoy making the slime?
Yes.
So let's see which slime came out the best and which one is your favorite. Which one would you like to start with?
This one.
The fire, the red one. Okay, let's see how it turned out. Take it out. Wow, look at it.
Now mine's all wet.
It came out perfect. So Elijah, what are you going to do with your fire slime? Where are you going to keep it?
In the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator? Wow. It came out so nice. Can you make me a zebra out of it? Okay, so let's see how our ice came out. So how does this feel?
Great.
Look at it. I think this one's a little bit more gooier than the fire. But I think it came out great. What did you say?
This one's not wet anymore.
Okay, so it's set in. It's got mixed. We mixed it and it came out good. So are you gonna make me a jaguar out of it?
I don't know how to make jaguar. I can make a people.
You can make people out of it. Let's see.
I can't.
You can.
I can just
try.
make a bubble.
A bubble? That will be
On
a
this
big
one.
bubble.
I can do it on this one.
Wow, look at this. So you're making a bubble. That looks like gum. Wow. Elijah, you did such a good job. So Elijah, what was your favorite, which one was your favorite one? Your slime, the fire or the ice?
Both of them.
You like both of them? Wow. You think you did a good job with both of them? You think you did a good job with both of them?
Yes.
Okay, well I think you did a good job with both of them too. Give yourself a pat on the back. You did a great job. Well done.
If you want to see some more fun videos, please subscribe to my channel, Elijah T. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.